The level crossing. This is a busy steam railway just like the one on Sodor. Engines puff up and down the track all day long, taking passengers where they need to go. Sometimes the railway tracks have to cross the road. This happens at a level crossing. The level crossing makes sure that engines and cars can cross each other safely. The level crossing has special gates that close the road for a short time to let the engine puff safely through. The signpost tells the driver of the car that a level crossing is ahead. The signalman at the level crossing is in charge of the gates. He knows when the engine will be coming and when he needs to close the gate. When the train is near, the signalman closes the gates at the level crossing to stop the cars, so the engine can puff across the road into the next station, right on time. The signalman makes sure the gates stay shut while the engine chuffs past. When the signalman closes the gates, the cars have to stop and wait. The signalman signals to the engine driver that it is safe to cross the road. The driver gives a short toot on his whistle to say hello, as the carriages puff slowly and safely past. The cars wait patiently as the train puffs over the level crossing. Once a train has safely crossed the road, the signalman opens the gates to let the cars through. The cars can safely drive over the track and on to wherever they are going. The level crossing is ready for the next engine to puff down the track, which won't be very long on a busy railway line like this. Level crossings are a very important part of the railway.